Hello everyone, welcome to watch this video. In this video, we will teach you how to use C and Python to program on Arduino UNO development board to read the data of DHT-11. First, let's get to know DHT-11. DHT-11 is a sensor with a calibrated digital signal output. It uses a special digital module acquisition technology and temperature and humidity sensing technology to ensure that the product has extremely high reliability and excellent long-term stability. The sensor includes a resistive humidity sensing element and an NTC temperature measuring element, and it is connected with a high-performance 8-bit microcontroller. It can be used to measure humidity and temperature. The measuring accuracy of humidity is ±5% RH, and the measuring accuracy of temperature is ±2 degrees. The measuring range of humidity is 20 to 90% RH, and the measuring range of temperature is 0 to 50 degrees. DHT-11 supports VCC operating voltage range of 3 to 5 volts. DHT-11 uses a single bus protocol to transmit data. It transmits 40 bits of data at a time, which is equivalent to 40 bits. Each time the DHT-11 data is read, it must be read 40 times at a time, which is equivalent to reading 40 bits. Data format: 40-bit data equal to 8-bit humidity integer plus 8-bit humidity decimal plus 8-bit temperature integer plus 8-bit temperature decimal plus 8-bit check. The first 16 bits are related to humidity, while the middle 16 bits are related to temperature, and the last 8 bits are used for verification. When the data transmission is correct, the checksum data is equal to the last 8 digits of the sum of 8-bit humidity integer data plus 8-bit humidity decimal data plus 8-bit temperature integer data plus 8-bit temperature decimal data. After learning the DHT-11, let's start the operation. We connect the DHT-11 and the Arduino UNO development board according to the connection method of the circuit diagram. The positive pin of the DHT-11 is connected to the 5-volt interface on the Arduino UNO development board. The negative pin is connected to the GND interface, and the S pin is connected to the number 2 interface on the Arduino UNO development board. The positive pin of the LCD1602 is connected to the 5-volt interface on the Arduino UNO development board, and the negative pin is connected to the GND interface. The SCL pin is connected to the A5 interface on the Arduino UNO development board, and the SDA pin is connected to the A4 interface. Then use the USB cable to connect the Arduino UNO development board to the computer. After connecting, open the installed Arduino software on the computer and open the code program of this course by clicking File in the upper left corner. In the setup function, the LCD1602 is initialized by LCD.init, and the LCD1602 backlight is turned on by the LCD.backlight function. In the loop function, read the DHT-11 data with DHT-11.read DHT-11 pin. Output the humidity and temperature data on the LCD1602 screen by the LCD.print function. Let's click Upload to see the experimental effect. The data of humidity and temperature will be displayed on the LCD1602 screen. That's all. Thank you all for watching and supporting. See you in the next video.